Hello friends, I am Devadrita and welcome to my channel Fun Food Feast. So today I am in Santa's Fantasia. To reach this place, I'll suggest you to, if you come from Keshtapur, you come from I'm going to taste the Shanghai octopus with it. This is the first time I am going to try an octopus. Anyway, it's time to leave now, guys. Bye bye. Hello friends, I am Devadrita. Welcome to my channel Fun Food Feast. So today is my first vlog in YouTube. I hope you guys will support me in this journey. So today I am in Santa's Fantasia, where the meaning of Fantasia, as far I know, it's a piece of music which is not written in a traditional or fixed form. Well, is it Santa's magical music then? See, the name itself is so interesting and unique. I feel like going inside soon. Okay, so let's go inside.
As soon as I entered inside, the wall paintings took my attention. Since the restaurant serves exotic tribal and seafood cuisines, the paintings seemed to be too logical. The tribal and seafood theme of the restaurant spreads over 2 rooms, walls with aquamarine features, mermaids, tribal motifs and tribal face mural. Finally, it was time to sit and eat on the stylish rustic wooden furniture.
The ambience inside is too good and I am coming to this restaurant for the first time. I'm really excited to try out all the new dishes because I have never been here before and I have never tried all these dishes which I'm going to taste today. So I'm really excited. Here is my bill. I have ordered 1 plate Mansapura chicken, 1 plate Shanghai octopus, 1 plate Shanghai squid, 1 plate jado and 1 plate Chupu pieces mutton delicacy. And the entire amount came to be 1967. So total I have ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items today. Finally the food is here. So let me start with the starter dish first. They have given it first, so I'm starting with this. This is Shanghai squid. So let's taste. Wow, the food is really good. The outside part is so crisp and the food is really very tasty. So here is another tribal dish. It's Banjpora chicken. Let's taste. I found it okayish. I did not find it that good. Finally, here is the main course. We have finished with the starters. This is Korean fried rice. It's a seafood item. And this is Chupu pieces mutton. Here is Shanghai octopus. It's also a seafood item. And this is a tribal dish. It's jado with shredded pieces of mutton inside. Let's start with the seafood cuisine first. Here is a Korean fried rice. Let's taste. I'm going to taste it with this Shanghai octopus. Now I'm going to taste the Korean fried rice with the Shanghai octopus. Wow, amazing. The food is really amazing. People who are a seafood lover must surely come here and try out these seafood cuisines. And people who also love to eat tribal dishes must also have a visit here. Well, in the Korean fried rice, they have given here squid, fish, prawn, and egg. And the blending of all these makes the taste really good. Well, I have noticed something different about this restaurant. They have given a copper glass for having water. It's really unique. Now I'm going to start with the tribal cuisine. Let's start with the jado. Let's taste. Yeah, it's really unique. There is shredded pieces of mutton inside and it's brown rice they have given, and there is shredded pieces of mutton inside. The dish is really unique. Now here is Jupu pieces mutton. Let's taste. Well, the gravy is very light and the mutton, I felt it's quite hard. It's not that spongy types which we usually eat. See, it's very hard to tear even, and the taste is not at all good. The gravy is like a veg soup types. You will not get the taste of any spices, and the mutton is also very hard. Finally, I finished the food. Yay! Well, let me give you an honest feedback. I love the seafood here, but the tribal dishes were not that good. So if you don't want, please don't try it. And the Jupu pieces mutton, please don't try it. It was not at all good. And from the tribal dishes, the jado rice was good, not that bad. But the Jupu pieces mutton was not at all good. Anyway. And the octopus, squid and bansapura chicken were really good. And among the starters, I think all the items are good here. So please try seafood here. Then the tribal dishes, seafood are much better. The day in Santa's Fantasia was lit today. Anyway, so it's time to leave now. Bye bye. Till the end, keep watching Fun Food Feast with your foodie friend Debadrita. Please do like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment and let me know, do you like seafood or not? So bye bye. Stay happy and stay safe, and wish you all a very happy Durga Puja.